Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just doing a quick midwinter check on the boat cover for CNC 38. We're supposed to get almost 100 millimeters of rain between Friday and Saturday, so just making sure there's no snow on top to catch the rain. Causes quite a bit of weight on the boat cover. The front of the boat cover there, just making sure everything's nice and tight, including all our straps underneath. A couple different types of boat covers. This is a Genco Sails boat cover that was custom made for the boat. Then you have some people that use tarps, and some people that use the shrink wrap plastic. I find these are a great boat cover. However, I do find that the snow does stick to them quite easily. Side, you see the frame for the winter cover. I put some ropes along the side there to cinch it up a little bit. It's got a stern access door. Bow of the boat looking towards the stern. It's amazing how dirty these boats get underneath the cover. When I put it away there, the deck was completely scrubbed. So that's another thing we'll do in the springtime, is give it a good cleaning. And keep the boom up here. The mast is in what we call the spar shed, and it's all wrapped up in plastic for the winter time. And this is the St. John River up that way. Kennebecasis River is actually up that way. Those two islands out there are called the Brothers Islands. It's funny, I used to actually camp on that one right out there on the other side when I was in high school. Again, this is the Royal Kennebecasis Yacht Club. So again, this weekend we're supposed to get a almost 100 millimeters of rain, and then it's supposed to drop down to minus 17, so it's going to be some slippery. We actually had quite a bit of snow here a few days ago, and it's been actually somewhat mild. No doubt we'll get another dumping of snow. Again, just a short little video, winter update on the boat. Looks to be faring quite well so far, knock on wood. That's a new travel lift. I did a video about a month ago about the Yacht Club, and that blue shed there, that's where we keep the mast at. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, you may want to consider subscribing. And like I said, I'll be doing some weekly videos. Thanks again. Take care.